Hello, my name is Cynthia and this is my partner Adele.
Hi!
Today, we're excited to share our project Pebble the Kind Swan, a rewrite of the classic tale The Ugly Duckling. We transformed this story into an interactive game with multiple paths, where players guide Pebble through different choices and see how their decisions affect the outcome.
With 16 possible storylines, the endings range from sad to uplifting, clearly showing how kindness, or the lack of it, can shape Pebble's journey and the lives of those around him. Through this, we hope players understand that kindness is powerful, and even small acts can lead to big changes in how people feel, grow, and connect with others.
In terms of task allocation, we designed the game together. I focused mainly on the coding, background music selection, and testing, while also helping with image production. Adele worked on the visuals and slides, led the image production, and supported both coding and testing.
In terms of tools and resources, we used Thonny and Scratch for coding, ChatGPT for image production, Pixabay.com for background music, and Canva for creating the slide deck.
We actually started by coding the game in Python, as you can see on the screen. That version worked well, but the biggest challenge was that we did not have sufficient time to self-learn Panda 3D or Python libraries such as Pillow and Pygame to add background images. So, we switched to Scratch to make our project more interactive within a short timeline. Another challenge was that Scratch couldn't really save large projects. So we downloaded the project and uploaded it to Google Drive with uploading instructions documented in the README text file to facilitate the review. Now, let's go to the Scratch project. The program begins when the user clicks the green flag on the screen. Initially, all sprites except for those from the first scene are hidden and the background music only plays when the flag is clicked. From then on, at each decision point in our story, the user must input a number indicating the choice they have decided to make. For each different input, a different message is broadcasted to every single sprite in Scratch. This message causes the sprite from the previous scene to hide themselves while the sprites from the next scene show themselves. The music from the previous scenes also immediately stops to be replaced by the music in the next scene, and the backdrops are instantly switched. This process is repeated at every decision point of the path the user takes before the user arrives at an ending.
Now it's showtime. Let's demo how to play our game.
Scene 1 takes place at the pond. When the largest egg hatches, out comes Pebble, who looks different from the other ducklings. His siblings tease him, ugly, ugly, but one duckling named Dot shows him kindness. The player's first choices are 1. Accept Dot's friendship and stay, 2. Run away, or 3. Snap back at the bullies. For this demo, we'll choose option 1.
That gives us a kindness score of 4 and brings us to scene 2, Dot's friendship. An older mallard named Gregory steps in to scold the bullies and they apologize. From here, clicking the yellow heart on the screen moves us forward to scene 3, Winter Storm. Winter comes and the ducklings are shivering in the cold. Dot worries they might not survive. Pebble now faces another choice. 1. Spread his wings to shield everyone. 2. Save only Dot. Or 3. Abandon them and try to survive alone.
If we choose option 1, Pebble protects everyone. That adds 4 points to the cumulative kindness score and leads to scene 4, sharing food. Pebble must decide whether to share food with everyone or keep it for himself. Sharing adds another 2 kindness points and leads to scene 5, spring. Swans appear and claim Pebble as one of their own. Pebble then faces a bigger decision. 1. Leave the ducks forever. 2. Stay with only the ducks. Or 3. Stay with both flocks. For a demo, we'll choose option 3, stay with both flocks.
This takes us to scene 6, the bridge between worlds. It's the golden ending showing Pebble uniting ducks and swans as one family. We illustrated this with a swan heart image to symbolize love and kindness.
That concludes our demo.
Based on judges' comments and findings from testing, we made the following improvements.
1. We added a scoring system to reflect the cumulative level of kindness of the chosen path. 2. We fixed the program to prevent glitches when the player enters an invalid choice.
3. We fixed a few logical flaws while testing the game.
4. We added 25 background music tracks, one for each scene, to reflect the mood. 5. We improved the cosmetic features by adding more relevant background images and refining the color scheme.
We hope you enjoyed this demo. Thank you all for your time and support. Have a wonderful day!